Hi friends, Island Homesteader here. This video is the same video that I sent Justin Rhodes that he included on his preparing for the hurricane video. I just wanted to go ahead and get it out on my own channel in case some of you hadn't seen it on Justin's video. So thanks for watching. God bless. Hey everybody, Justin asked me to make a quick video to show how we prepare for a hurricane here on Hatteras Island. So let me show you some of the things that we've done. That's one of the preparations for an oncoming storm, is sending the family out. Sometimes we board up our windows. A lot of what we do just involves just picking up. Most of the damage over the years that we've had has been from floodwaters. It's all tide water. So we just pick everything up, get everything up off the ground, off of the floor as much as we can. I've stood in this garage during Hurricane Emily, and there was 37 inches of water. In this garage you can still see a water line right in here. And then not too long ago, last year I think, Hurricane Matthew, you can see the water line right here that we had in this garage 2 years ago, not last year, 2 years ago. We drive our riding lawnmowers up on decks to get them up above floodwaters. We make sure our gas tanks in our cars are full, and we try to keep them as full as possible right up until the weather hits. We make sure we have plenty of drinking water on hand. Charcoal grills are brought in the house. These are some blueberries, so they came in to get out of the wind. The lawnmower is up on the back deck and strapped down with the wheelbarrow over top of it to keep the rain off of it. And trash can is all secure. Another thing I do to prepare is to have two or three anyway, weather sources that I consult, people I trust, people ahead of time of the storm. I've watched their stuff, listened to their stuff, and trust their stuff. There's one guy on Facebook, Weather Underground, the SpaghettiModels.com, Mike's weather page, and of course always the National Hurricane Center. And that's about it that I get for information. I do not ever turn the Weather Channel on, and I avoid as much of the other media hype as I can, and I try to avoid as much of the hype and drama on Facebook as I can. These are the only sources I want to use to make my decisions and my choices with, and not somebody else's rant or somebody else's opinion. As far as my bees go, I posted a video on my YouTube page a day or so ago, yesterday I guess, as to what I did to get them ready for the hurricane. So if you want to, you can go over and check out my YouTube page at Island Homesteader. And last but certainly not least, one of the things I do to prepare for a hurricane is spend some time in prayer. I found that it's made a huge difference when I'm facing down a storm and trying to make decisions. So that's my preps for a hurricane. Every hurricane's a little different. Sometimes we do more, sometimes we do less.